Today marks the beginning of a new era in Fiji's tourist transportation sector. For over 35 years, TTF, along with its former brands of Coral Sun and Sun Tours, have pioneered new fleet and modernised Fiji's tourism transportation sector.
I'm actually delighted to be here today to unveil the newest inclusions in the fleet of Tourist Transport Fiji Limited. And I appreciate the commitment and the vision that Andrew has for the Fijian tourism and for his confidence in the Fijian economy to continue investment. TTF has not only invested in the economy, but has also set high standards of service delivery in the industry. And this latest investment increases total investment by Fijians in the economy by 1.9 million. That's another $1.3 million, I think, is in the pipeline for the coming months and the next year. TTF, I understand, will be adding to its fleet of new medium-sized coaches valued around $2.5 million. Ladies and gentlemen, today's occasion is a special one for a number of reasons, as we are also launching a new enhanced image of TTF, I understand, which is a more suited Fijian icon, the flower shell. This significant element was selected to replace the palm motif that the coaches had been sporting since around 2008. The new designs of coaches also signifies TTF's commitment to growing its operations by incorporating innovative business and ideas. Transportation, ladies and gentlemen, is an integral part of tourism and has two main functions in this area. The means of tourist displacement from origin to destination, and attractions and services to the tourists. It is therefore important that the transportation service providers need to ensure that their service delivery is of a high standard and of a very high level of ethics should be maintained. Hence, it's important for the industry to self-regulate by having an active tourism transportation and tour association. Therefore, I call upon the industry players to work together to firstly ensure high standards are maintained, and secondly, an organized group that provides you a strong united voice when presenting proposals or recommendations to government agencies. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, the tourism transportation providers need to be mindful of the changing needs of the client and hence provide tailor-made services. For example, the TTF specialized wheelchair accessible vehicles are a first for Fiji, and I'm sure our special needs visitors will appreciate the upgraded facility that will ensure them easy and convenient travels. Therefore, to ensure that your clients are satisfied with the services provided to them, it is important to evolve with technological changes, and TTF is a great example of this change. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, I wish to acknowledge the vast years of experience that TTF has in serving visitors to Fiji. And TTF has been in operation for the last 35 odd years, and today is partially owned by AOT Travel Group and I understand PLR Holdings. This company is a very good example of how foreign expertise and local experience can work together to achieve exceptional levels of growth in business. At this stage, ladies and gentlemen, I must also say that it's, for me, it's very pleasurable to hear that tourism has led the way in terms of investment in Fiji. And I take my hat off to TTF for leading the way on this. I feel a great sense of pride today in launching these new coaches today, as our visitors will be provided with enhanced services as they arrive in Fiji. And with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure of officially launching the new coaches today. Votualevu. Thank you. Oh, very yeah. This is actually the business class one. At least the drivers are comfortable too, huh?